Alright, we're here today to talk a little bit about transmission fluid leaks. Maybe you swapped out your transmission with a used one. You ended up with a leak in between the torque converter and the engine, the transmission and the engine. Some of the things you might not have thought about when you did your transmission swap, or if you do an engine swap. You could end up with a transmission leak in between here. And we're not going to talk about seal because today we're going to talk about dowel pins. This transmission, you have two dowel pins in your transmission on each side. What those dowel pins do is they hold this transmission true to the engine. You have a pilot on the back of your torque converter, and when your torque converter is bolted up to your flywheel, this pilot holds your torque converter true to your transmission. That way everything runs smoothly. What happens is when you do that transmission swap, that engine swap, you pull it out, the dowel pin stays with the transmission, and you ship it down for a core charge, and when you get your other transmission, there's no dowel pin in it. You don't want to make that long haul back down to the scrap yard to get your old dowel pin, so you go ahead and stick the transmission in there. You're causing yourself a big problem. The reason is what'll happen is this transmission will slightly slide down because there's nothing holding it true to the engine. When it does that, your torque converter will be true. So your transmission's a little off, your torque converter rubs on your bushing, seal starts leaking a little bit because it can't hold the pressure now that your bushing is wore out, and you develop a leak in between your engine and transmission. First thing you do, pull the transmission out, knock a new seal in it. Week goes by, day goes by, 2 months goes by. Who knows how long it's going to take. It starts leaking again. You start calling people, oh yeah, I can knock a seal in it. Well, that's not going to fix it. You're going to have to pull the transmission back out, make sure your dowel pins are both in there so that your transmission will be true to your engine. That's the only way you're going to seal that. Once you do that and you cause that problem, you'll want to take that seal out, you'll want to take that bushing out behind it and replace that bushing. And the reason is because you wore that bushing out now. You've caused yourself another problem. Replace that bushing, replace the seal, reinstall your transmission, both dowel pins in, and your leak will be solved. I hope this video helps you, and keep an eye out for our other videos. We got a lot of transmission videos. Thank you.